Hi, this is Mind with Database Backup and Restore. The current project can be archived using the Backup Database menu item in the Database menu. Approve the long running time warning. Enter a file name and press Save. The backup may take some time depending on the size of the project. You can restore a previously backed up project by setting up a restore database. Pay attention. The full content of the project will be lost. If this is not desired, select an empty database in the Login menu. Confirm the warning message. Depending on the size of the project, reloading may take some time. After restoring, the program will reboot. Select the appropriate database and log in. Thanks for watching.